Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Glam Girl Krishna. Today I'm breaking it down by step, easy, beginners friendly, and using affordable products. Let's create this stunning sultry look together. So without wasting any more time, let's get starting this video. Before starting any makeup, prep your skin well. I'm using the Lakme sunscreen to protect my skin from UV damage.
Strawberry on my lips and sugar fingertips.
Next, I'm applying a thin layer of primer to smooth out my pores and ensures my makeup lasts all day long.
I can feel the beat running through the speakers. Blue skies, blue waves, every day's a good day. Lazy Sunday afternoon, I'ma take Monday off.
For a natural yet full coverage look, I am using Maybelline Lumi Matte Foundation shade 120. I am blending it out using a beauty sponge for a seamless skin-like finish.
Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside.
Brows frame the face, so I am using brow gel to brush my brows up and set them in place for a clean, defined look.
Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Rose color on my cheeks, yeah. I feel so on fleek. Forget who we are. Let's dance until dawn. Music on repeat. You can beat this feeling. Let's keep this going on and on.
Now using the Swiss Beauty Cover Studio Concealer Palette, I am concealing my eyes for the eyeshadow.
Crack open models on and on and on and on it. Caught up in the moment, feels just like I'm dreaming. Just like I'm dreaming. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling
Now moving on to eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using Swiss Beauty Measure 1 eyeshadow palette.
dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine.
First, I am taking this soft brown shade and blending it into my crease for a smooth transition.
The poolside, such a fun time living for the
Next, I am using a deep brown shade on the outer corner to create dimension.
hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind.
Now I am packing this black shade onto my lid. Start with a little and build up.
Yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine on the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine on the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes.
Blending is key. Use a small circular motions for a seamless transition.
And the tan lines, keep the free mind, yeah. Hey, 'cause we got the sunshine.
Smoky eyes are all about drama, so I am adding kajal to my lower lash line and smudging it for a soft smoky effect.
Poolside, such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines, keep the free mind, yeah.
Finally, I am coating my lashes with mascara to open up my eyes.
In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. With you, my friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship, oh friendship, upon the storms and sunny days, together we'll walk this road, hand in hand. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend. In the silence of the night, or the chaos of the day, you're the one I turn to in every single way. With you, I find solace
Now adding blush to bring warmth to my face.
in the warmth of your embrace. Together we stand strong in this endless race. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend. I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling.
For that sculpted look, I am using my Glam Contour Stick to add a definition.
Feeling some kind of way, I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from.
To set everything in place, I am using Nika loose powder, especially under my eyes and around my nose.
From my head to my feet, my heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway, nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each
Time for the glow. I am adding Swiss Beauty Insta Glow highlighter to the high points of my face for a radiant finish.
beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the
For my lips, I am using Swiss Beauty lip liner to define.
music plays. I just can't help but sway, nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Anyone could say that we are never assured.
Then filling them in with Maybelline New York Teddy tint. Shade Keep It Cozy. The perfect nude for this bold eye look.
For things we're dreaming of are always out of the store. Pages, a lot of pages to forget. I'm so bored.
I hope you loved this tutorial. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this smoky eye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more beginner friendly makeup tutorials. See you next time. Love you all. Bye bye. And yeah, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video in my channel.
bored to say